Good morning students, welcome back to the English Channel Prime. Students, in the last class we have completed the explanation to this chapter, the first cities, history chapter 4 for class 6th. Now in this session, let's start with the exercises. First main objective type questions, open page number 43. Multiple choice types questions. First question, the Indus Valley civilization flourished between which four options are given? Yes, it is D. Option D, 2500 BC and 1500 BC. Second question, the Indus Valley civilization is also called the, yes, it is Harappan civilization. Option B. Third question, the reddish brown clay which was used for making pot was, yes, it is terracotta. Option C. Fourth question, finding of which thing suggests that people owe it to bring good fortune? Yes, it is amulets. That is option B. Fifth question, the cities were administered by a committee of people consisting of dash. Yes, it is C. Rich merchants. Next, B. Unscramble the letters given in the help box and fill in the blanks. First question, the first site of this civilization to be excavated was dash. Yes, it is Harappa. Second question, most probably the great bath was used for. Yes, it is for ritual bath. Third question, two specialized crafts of this civilization were dash and dash. Yes, it is the metal work and the bead making. Fourth question, the flat rectangular objects used by merchants to stamp their good were. Yes, it is seal. Fifth question, most probably the cities were administered by. See children, here actually 9 fill in the blanks are given but only 8 options are given. So we'll do this later. Sixth one, Harappan script was dash. Yes, sixth one it is. Yes, it is pictography. Next one, the Harappans worshipped the male god. Yes, it is Pashupati. Eighth one, the Harappans considered the dash tree as sacred. Yes, it is peepal tree. So no options are left. So we can write on our own. Most probably the cities were administered by rich merchants. Answer to the question number 5. Done children? Now let's move to the C. State whether the following statements are true or false. First question, Harappan civilization flourished on the bank of the river Ganges. No, it is false. It is Indus. Second question, in the Indus Valley site of Ropar in Gujarat, a dockyard has been found. No, it is false. It is found in Lothal. Third question, every city in Indus Valley had a great path. No, it is only in Mohenjo-daro. So it is false. Fourth question, in the Indus Valley, houses were made of mud bricks. Yes, it is true. Fifth question, the Harappan script has been deciphered. No, it is false. It is not read. It was not read. Now second question, very short answer questions. Define the term civilization. Write down the answer. The term civilization means a highly advanced culture with towns and cities, crafts and trade, literature and organized form of government. Question number 2. Which other civilizations were contemporary to that of the Indus Valley civilization? Answer. Following 3 civilizations were contemporary to that of the Indus Valley civilization. First one, Mesopotamia civilization, B, Egyptian civilization and C, Chinese civilization. Third question, what type to farming was practiced by the Harappans? Answer is mixed type of farming was practiced by the Harappans. It meant that they cultivated fields, produced crops and also domesticated animals. Question number 4. Which were the different types of toys Harappan people used? Answer. The different types of toys used by the Harappan people were small clay carts, animal figures, marbles, rattles, dolls and whistles. Fifth question. Name the script used by Harappan people. What was it about? Answer. The Harappan script was pictographic. It had pictures like signs representing the ideas, objects and words. The script had been engraved on seals. Harappan script has not yet been deciphered. Done children? Now let's move to the third one. Short answer questions. First question, all ancient civilizations flourished along river valleys. Why? Answer, all ancient civilizations flourished along the river valleys because, first point, rivers are the source of fresh water. Second, river water could be used for irrigation. Third point, these could be used for trade or transport. Fourth question, a fourth answer point, these also attracted animals and provide fish or food. So, early men settled near the banks of rivers and ancient civilizations flourished along the banks of Indus in India, Nile, Egypt, Tigris and Euphrates in Iraq, and Huanghe River in China were the much needed rivers. Done, children? Next question, question 2. What was a citadel? Why were important buildings built on the citadel? Answer, most of the Harappan cities were divided into two parts. The part which was built on a higher ground was called citadel. The citadel had high walls which provided protection during the floods. Therefore, important buildings like the granary, the fire altars and the great bath of Mohenjo-daro were on citadels. Done, children? Now next question. Why do you think the Harappans worshipped Mother Goddess? Answer, we think that the Harappan worshipped Mother Goddess because clay images of women figures have been found in Harappa. They worshipped Mother Goddess probably to gain blessings, fortune and fertility. Fourth question, how do we know that the Harappans believed in life after death? Answer, the Harappans believed in life after death because graves and burial sites have been found indicating that people believed in life after death. The graves have been found with articles such as pottery and jewelry. Fifth question, describe in brief about the town planning of the Harappan civilization. Answer, the cities of the Indus Valley civilization were well planned. This is proved by the following features. First point, most of the cities were divided into two parts, that is higher part and the lower part. Second point, each house had the same parts, that is a bathroom, a kitchen and a large courtyard. Third point, there was a well developed drainage system in each city. Fourth point, the streets were broad and cut each other at right angle. Fifth point, the houses were constructed on both sides of the streets. Fourth main long answer questions. First question, what do the granary, the great bath, seals, proper drainage system suggest about Harappa? Answer, granaries constituted an important part of the Harappan cities like Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Kalibangan and Harappa. They suggest that the Harappans had surplus food grain production. The great bath of Mohenjo-daro was a special tank which was made of bricks. There were rooms on all sides. It is suggested that the great bath served for ritual bathing. Seals were the greatest artistic creation of the Harappan cultures, which were flat, rectangular objects made of terracotta. They were used by the merchants and traders to stamp their goods. The most special feature of Harappan cities was their well-developed drainage system. Every house had drains which were connected to the main drain of the streets. The drains were covered with stone slabs and inspection holes were provided at regular distances to clean them. It suggests that Harappan people gave so much attention to health and cleanliness. Done. Second question, how do you know that trade and commerce was a very important feature of the Indus Valley civilization? Give examples to support your answer. Answer, trade and commerce must have been very important for the people of Indus Valley civilization. They got raw materials from other states, for example, copper from Rajasthan and Oman, tin from Afghanistan and Iran, gold from Karnataka and other precious things from Gujarat, Iran and Afghanistan. This shows the importance of trade and commerce in Indus Valley civilization. Third question, what are the various theories given to explain the decline of the Indus Valley civilization? Answers, There are many theories to explain the decline of the Indus Valley civilization. First point, the first theory is that the rivers dried up. The people had to leave from there. Second point, the second theory is that the Aryans invaded and this led to the decline of Indus Valley civilization. Third point, the third theory is that the decline was due to natural calamities such as earthquakes, floods, droughts, or epidemics. Fourth, some scholars put forward deforestation to be responsible for this decline. Fourth question, describe the main occupations of the Indus Valley people. Answer, the main occupations of the people of the Indus Valley civilization were: first point, craft was the main occupation of the people. Pottery making, metal work, bead making, gold and silver jewelry, etc. were important crafts. Second point, people also practiced cotton weaving. Agriculture was another important occupation. Fifth question, the Harappan civilization is referred to as an urban civilization. Do you agree? Give reasons in support of your opinion. Answer, Harappan civilization is called an urban civilization, which is true. It has every feature of urbanization like big cities, systematic town planning, distinction between the citadel and the lower town, art of writing, standard ways and measures, internal and foreign trade, developed technology and crafts, proper drainage system, broad streets, etc. A variety of tasks such as the regulation of trades, collection of taxes, maintenance of law and order were looked after by the administration. By explaining the above urban features, Harappan civilization can be referred to as an urban civilization. Done children? Sixth question. Why large granaries are an integral feature of the cities in the Harappan civilization? Answer, large granaries were an integral feature of the Harappan civilization, which have been found in cities like Mohenjo-daro, Harappa and Kalibangan. These granaries were built to store surplus grain. There is also possibility that tax or revenue which was collected in the form of grains stored in these granaries. Presence of granaries also indicates that Harappans had surplus food grain production. As an evidence, blackened and charred grains have been found in these granaries. Done children? Now last question. Seventh one. Even though the Harappans had their own script, but we largely depend on the archaeological excavations for information and knowledge about them. Why so? Explain. Answer. The Harappans invented the art of writing to maintain accounts and write down the laws, rules and regulations, but we have to largely depend on the archaeological excavations for information and knowledge about this civilization. It is because the Harappan script has not yet been deciphered, so we are fully dependent on the archaeological sources for information regarding this civilization. Done children? Now hope all of you understood this. Thank you.